Alright. Putting the oil pump together. Stripped out 2 of the fucking holes, mounting holes for the oil pump. This one that goes through the case, this one that doesn't. These 2 I already helicoiled, of course. Second go around, ruined 2 gaskets. I put it back on. I should have did them all from the get-go. Thought I was being wise by doing the 2 instead of just the 1, but should have did all 4. Alright, kind of sucks, but whatever. 1764 drill bit. Ooh, greased her up. This is the throw hole. Fucking not get shit all on my bench. Let's see here. Do not need to go too deep. What's the point? I'm just so fucking worried about getting any type of metal shavings anywhere. So I'll pinch deeper. There we go. I was to the last thread. It blew right out the fucking tape too. Now this one. How deep the fucking hole is. This one does not go through, and I don't want to make it go through. We go to 285. Say 280. So it doesn't seem that deep. Am I bottoming out? No, I can't even get it all the way in there. Let's say 1/4 inch, a little over 1/4. I'll have to go deep. Oh yeah, it just blows out to the original threads. That much metal got into the fucking motor. Caught some on here. This is what I did. Those I did prior. These 2. This did. Oh, keep this rag away from the fucking table. Oh my god. Mixing up my dirty and clean rags. Got nothing better to tap this with. This fucking thing. Make sure she's straight in there. Oh my god. Oh, she don't look straight that way. She don't look straight this way either. She's probably gonna guide herself in. There it goes. Looking somewhat straight that way, looking straighter this way. Back a turn. Fucking time is it? It's starting to push through the case. Pull back now. Should be more than enough. Remember, I'm threading for a fucking helicoil too, so. I just wanted those threads to be good, so I didn't want it to be the first couple on the tap. Because those are like those tapered threads. Or is this a flat bottom tap? I'm not sure. No, it's not. This is like a pain in the ass because you don't know what the fuck. So I don't want to blow them. No. I don't want to blow them back into the case. That's what I don't want to happen. Gonna come out as a string would be great. Ooh, fucking A. Wow, this is shit you do not want in your fucking oil pump. Nothing fucking shot back in there. See if grease is in there. Got anything trapped up. Make sure the nozzle's clean. Now I'm trying to look to see, make sure I didn't blow anything back, but who the fuck knows. I got it all over me though. It's not the environment you want a fucking open motor in. Cut some nice threads in there. Let's do the top one. This one ain't a through hole. Fuck, I gotta clean this bench. Hope you like metal shavings, Moda. Is it straight? Yeah. I gotta break the fucking tangs off these. Don't work on that side, huh? It's taking nice threads. This is a 81. What is that? 54 years ago? 54-year case. Original threads. Come on, baby. How many threads was that? I could get one more in there. I could get one more in there. I mean, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many is a fucking helicoil? Dump one more in there. The longest fucking motor rebuild in all of history. What am I doing? Wow, good fucking thread there, guy. That grease is going to spews out. Okay. So I want to cut like 1 or 2 more threads. It's way more than 1 or 2, but that's all the way. Bottomed out that fucker. It's alright. Sometimes when I need patience, I remind myself, what would Pacific Mike do? Fuck that. Get this dirty ass fucking tap. Metal shavings. Wow, look at that hole. That's a nice hole. That's a nice hole you got there. Check out my holes. These two. Fuck, I can't see. Helicoil. Buy helicoil. This I have the tool to do it right with. Well, first, is he gonna clean the hole? Dirty rag. Away from motorcycle. Get all the shavings out of here. To get the fucking grease out. What's gonna happen is, where the fuck is my tape? No fucking metal fragments. When I blow out this hole, getting anywhere. Ain't gonna do dick. Ah, they fucking went everywhere. Okay. Still got a piece fucking in there. No, I don't. These are the two I got a helicoil. Start at the bottom first. We know she's clean. Wow, is that a metal chip? That's a metal chip. Metal chips and motors. Damn, fucking metal chip everywhere. Drop of red metal. Fucking metal chip fucking everywhere. I really hope they're not in my motor. Almost forgot how to do that for a second. See, these are the kind of things when you bring it to someone, they gotta do. I don't like what the hell is in there? It's like a black stain. Good threads though. Brake cleans out of there. Fucking split these cases and clean them again. Alright, well. Fuck, why? This one don't want to go in straight. Why is it always one? This one went in crooked but finished off straight. It's a rethreader. Oh, wait. I'm tripping? Yeah, that'll help it out a little bit. This doesn't cut nothing. This fucking thing. I'll test your fucking patience. They will test your patience. There we go. All right, two helis and coil, two heli coils installed. Dyslexic as fuck. Could have did all of them. I did do all of them. Basically, not these two top twos that we should check now because, you know, it's my second go around. Those look good. If these two strip out, I'm gonna pull a fucking Cobain. But alright, oh shit. Drop my tape. Now I gotta wait for another fucking gasket. So helicoil. Gotta fucking rip that tape off. Helicoil.